Okay, so hi, this is my first video actually, and I'm nervous because I don't know what to do. But I will be vlogging, doing like a get ready with me because I'm going out with my friends and I want to look, I guess, decent. Let's get started. Okay, so I'm using my brush holder to literally put the camera, and I don't know how I'm gonna use this though. Wait, hold up. Nice. How am I gonna clean this? You know what? I'm just gonna use another thing to look at myself. Okay. Yeah, this could work. This is a highlighter. So let's start by using primer. Okay, I'm just gonna put it in the back of my hand. Okay, let me just get that in. Yeah, I'll just do that. I just put it on my nose because my pores are pretty visible, so I'm not an expert in makeup, so I know that you're gonna die with this, but I use this type of sponges, and to be honest, they're not that bad. They're actually good. So it's my, oh, this is so embarrassing. This is so dirty. I will use that. Actually, a BB cream, so it will be good for my skin. Can you see me? Can you see me? Okay. Let me just get in the lighting. Oh, wow, look so pale. Oh my god. So this sponge still has glitter from my past makeup look, so I will be looking glittery. I think we look great. So now doing my brows. I'll be using Profusion Studio Contour, and I will use this shade to do my brow. Let's not talk about that, shall we? I'll use this Anastasia Beverly Hills brow gel. This is the only expensive stuff that I have. So now I will be using concealer. This is the Sephora concealer. So I will be using the Morphe F505. Okay, and I will be using this palette and this shade. Oh, I took the wrong shade. Can you see it? Oh. Taking the same brush that I use for my brows and using the darker shade to do opening eyeliner. It's not working. Next. And now I will be using the highlighter Prolux in the shade Champagne. Now I will be using the Essence Lash Alert as mascara. Using Real Techniques brush. Good. As a bronzer, kinda. To bronze. but I will be using the LA Girl Pro HD settings, right? Okay. And this is the end makeup. Hope you like it. Oh my god, I'm gonna sneeze.